never said that. It's on your machine.
I don't have muchi. She fell. Get up.
Back a year ago.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be about how I do my Manasi skincare. If you're interested, please keep on watching.
Hi guys, so as you guys saw, this one did the intro, but I'm going to do it officially once again. This is my niece who's 6 years old, and you guys have seen, if you have been following my channel, you should know that this is Shaivi, and you guys love her on the channel, and we have done quite a few videos. I'll be popping it on the screen so you can go watch it. And today, as she said, she's going to do my skincare. I have showered. I have nothing on my skin right now apart from like a Vaseline on my lips. So yeah, are you excited?
Yes!
She's been wanting to do this for a very long time. Also, my house help is like doing her work, तो थोड़ा आवाज आएगा आजू बाजू, संभाल लेना. But we can't delay this video any further because this one has to go home. You have to put this on my head.
मजा आया.
सब याद रखूंगी मैं. When I'll do your hair ना, then I will take बदला.
Later. More moments later.
Why are you laughing?
It's so very good. So let's start.
Wash your hands. Let's start. Guys, I am changing the frame a lot because इसकी height और मेरी height match करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. She cannot come up, तो मैं इसे नीचे जा रही हूँ. तो don't mind the framing or lighting of this video. This is just for fun. So we have the skincare laid down. Yeah, we have a table full of it. There are serums, there are moisturizers, and sunscreen and lip balm. I will show you. So this is my morning skincare, and you can use whichever serum. You don't have to use all. You have to select one from each category. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the serums.
One from each pack.
Yeah, each pack. Yes. This though you have to put. Okay. Then from this you can choose one. Then from moisturizers you can choose one. Then
lip balm you can choose one. And
then
from creams you can choose one.
yeah, this is the sunscreen. This is the last step. Okay. So you put this first, this second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Yeah. You washed your hands, na? Okay. So you have to go and show the product to Maufam.
Like
Say.
this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this. What are the names?
Read. Now you can read.
Advanced Snail 96 Munjan Power Serum.
Munjan, nahi, it's mucin.
Stop overacting.
Stop overacting. Look at this. What you wasted my product. Should I put it on my skin and then you'll put
No.
it? No, wait. You will waste my product. You have to describe.
I feel that this product will smoothen out your skin for the skincare. I feel that.
Do you know what snail mucin is?
No.
Can you guess?
Snail mucin is a thing to like glow out your skin.
Glow out your skin. But do you know what snail mucin is made of?
Hyaluronic serum.
Did you just say hyaluronic serum?
Yeah.
It's not. Do you know snails?
Yeah.
Google guy. Snail. It's a shambud hai.
Wait.
Nah, this is cream, not jam.
It is the secretion that comes out of the snail's body. Is that?
Is the gel. Now second, I'm choosing this one.
Show.
So this is the Plum Nice Water and Tan Nude.
It's the Plum Rice Water Niacinamide 10% Serum. I'm going to show it to you guys. Arey tha?
This.
You have to use only 3 drops, huh?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. It's not easy. Now guys, the third step.
But you have not blended it properly.
Okay, so now I want this to like smoothen out on her skin. I need some more on the nose, I feel. Oh.
You think my nose is dry?
Guys, I think her nose is a little dry, so I'm putting more on her nose. Okay. All done.
Done? Let it dry now. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, till then this is drying. I want to tell you guys the story. Not the story, the advice that Chevy gave me last night. She was with me yesterday. There was like a family emergency, so I was looking after her the entire day. So Chevy is an amazing skater. I'm gonna attach some videos if I have any. And oh my god! And whenever I see her, I feel so proud because मुझे भी skating बहुत सीखना था. But I went to my friend's house. I was in school, 5th standard or something, and I broke my hand, my left hand. I was not wearing any guards, and she was not. Of course, when your friend teaches, you're in 4th standard, and a teacher teaches, that's a different story. So I was telling her कि उसके बाद मुझे इतना डर बैठ गया कि मैंने skating करना ही छोड़ दिया. But when I look at you, I feel very proud. Then उसके ऊपर what did you tell me?
If you want to do skating, if you fall, it's no problem. With that only, you will learn how to do skating.
Yeah.
I also have fallen a lot of times. First, when I came in advance, but now I don't fall because I kept my practice and I kept my balance. So that now I don't fall.
Yay! I'm proud of you. I think now this is just the glow. It's not sticky. It's just the glow. I love the niacinamide serum by Plum. Okay. Next is moisturizer. You have 3 options. Okay. This, and this. One is by Real Barrier. I got this from South Korea. This one is by Cosrx, and this one is by Simple. So which one do you want to use?
I really want to use this. Real Barrier.
Real Barrier.
Real Barrier. Look. What?
You put your fingers, and nobody has put fingers in my moisturizer.
Oh no!
It's on your machine.
I don't have muchi. You have muchi.
You gave me
Sit
the
like that.
muchi.
I gave you the muchi. कुछ भी बोलती है.
Done.
क्या? What is done?
Let me just shape up your eyebrows.
Why are you shaping my eyebrows? You have not blended the moisturizer. You can't be a good makeup artist. You want to be a makeup artist, no?
Yep.
And then how will you be a makeup artist
I
like
want
this?
to be a mouse channel.
You want to be a mouse channel.
More mouse. Mansi, my more.
ये बंटवारा किसने कर लिया? Who did this? हाँ?
मैंने ये बंटवारा.
She wants to be a vet, है ना?
Yeah.
Animal doctor.
Yeah. I'm thinking on my day, I can be both on my day off. I can be a vet and rest. I can do makeup.
Okay, and then one day, so you wanted to be an astronaut also.
When?
You told me when you were little, you're like, I want to be an astronaut. I want to go in space.
I never said that. This is how he reacts.
Why would you do in my mouth? Disgusting child.
Oh no!
She fell. Get up. Okay, my skin looks nice and glowy. Okay, last step is sunscreen. Chalo, let's do sunscreen fat. We have 2 options for the sunscreen. This is the Beauty of Joseon and this is the Centella. Which one?
I want the Centella. Right?
I love the Centella one, but it's burning on my skin recently because of winters. How sweet. Thank you. You were supposed to do 2 fingers. So तेरे fingers बहुत छोटे हैं, इसलिए मैं मेरे fingers पे ले रही हूँ. And then from here you can take. Okay? Do you know what the meaning of wait?
Yes.
What is it?
Sambar. In Gujarati.
Why are you talking Gujarati? Sambar. You have Gujarati friends, that's why.
I sambar the. And my Masi is also Gujarati.
Your Masi is Gujarati? Who? Which Masi?
Amruta.
She's not Gujarati.
Then?
She's a Marathi. Who told you she's a Gujarati? कुछ भी बोल.
I mean, a Darshan.
Darshan is not your Masi.
Auntie, whatever I know.
Yeah,
But
she's your kaki.
But she's my family member.
Yeah. You have to pat the sunscreen, okay? Like that, yeah.
First, let me put it everywhere. Bunji, bunji, hunji, kanji.
Done.
Done. And now the lip balm, guys. We have these 2 lip balms.
हाँ और फ्रेम के अंदर घुस जा, माउथ फ्रेम के अंदर, आँख में, मुंह में घुस जा.
Guys, so these are the 2 lip balms.
हाँ.
So, this one is Periota.
Peri-pera.
Peri-pera, and this one is Roll Baby. So, I want to use Peri-pera.
Okay.
I'm going to put on our lips properly.
I don't like a lot. You put so much.
Because you're not.
Done. Okay, this is how my skin looks like. She wants to put the lip tint. सब कॉपी कर मेरा तो. लाइफ में पूरा कॉपी कर मेरे को. Alright guys, so my skincare is done. Did you have fun?
Yes, a lot.
Do you want to tell anybody anything? माउ फैम को कुछ बताना है तुझे?
Yes.
School का story or some advice, or you wanna sing, or you wanna dance, whatever you wanna do.
I want to dance.
You want to dance? Okay, on which song?
Jhumka.
What jhumka? But we have to fast forward it because copyright issue. You won't understand, but ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, we fast forward on
हाँ, okay, guys. Chevy is gonna perform on jhumka, and she's gonna sing and dance together. Round of applause. Woo! Okay, चलो.
राय बदलने बीच बरसात बहुत दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाला शो पर जब वो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी राय बदलने बीच बरसात जब वो दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाला शो पर जब वो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी
हवा से बच के रहना,
गिर जाए
तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा रे. आई झुमका, ओए झुमका, आई झुमका झुमका. What झुमका?
करे झुमका
What झुमका? Alright guys, I hope this video brought a smile on your face. Definitely brought some glow on my skin. Thank you Chevy for being a part of this video.
Welcome.
Is my accent fine for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'll see you next time. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Until then,
Stay positive and stay happy. Bye.